Hey everybody, I'm the hiking chef. Today we're in Big Bear, California. I'm with a good buddy of mine, Gilbert. He's a hiking legend in SoCal. And today we're gonna be snowshoeing up Pine Knot Trail to Grandview Point. We're super excited. He's done a lot of snowshoeing. This is my first time, so let's check it out. All right. Yeah, we got some tracks here. I gotta get used to turning in these.
For any kind of distance, then you put them in and keep you.
All right, you guys, we're about a mile in. It is beautiful out here. I really haven't been in anything like this before. I'm so happy right now. I don't know what else to say because this is so nice and it's quite the first experience for me. So it looks like someone's just been in here in boots, maybe yesterday or the day before. So the trail isn't too hard to follow, but definitely some thick snow, probably about 10 inches of snow, maybe closer to 8. It snowed all last night, about 4 to 6 inches, so it's perfect right now, you guys. I'm loving it.
Just tell me when you want to turn back, okay?
Yes, sir. You too.
Oh, wait, that's when we get to the top.
I asked Linus, I said, Gil's not like a weenie or anything, is he? Like he's not gonna want to turn back because of bad conditions or something. But he said, no, that's what he likes about you is you're like, you got grit, like you're good to go, you know? I feel like I'm the same way too. Like I know my limits, but yeah, this is, I'll tough it out. All right, you guys, we're about 2 miles in. The sun is starting to come out a little bit. Snow is super fresh. And Gilbert and I were talking. This is probably gonna be the last day we're gonna be able to do this because last night was probably the last snowstorm for another 2 weeks. And this will probably be pretty melted by the time that next snowstorm hits. So what do you think, Gilbert?
Oh, it's wonderful. I'm so happy.
Yeah. Gilbert and I are really stoked on today so far, so.
With the tremor.
Yeah, no, we got up here real easy. They were making people put chains on, but we had 4x4, so we did pretty good. And yeah, we're almost there, so stay tuned, you guys.
lake.
We're on the south side of Big Bear Lake, so we got this beautiful view of the lake right here. Gilbert's killing it here. All right, you guys, we're making our way, and I think we're gonna turn around right now because it's snowing. Just kidding. But it is snowing right now.
Which was great. We had clear sky for just a tad bit with still clouds, and now it's all cloudy.
All right, guys, we made it to Skyline Road. We're about a half mile from Grandview Point. Definitely the only people back here. We're almost there. All right, you guys, we made it to Grandview Point. Let's check it out. That was Grandview Point. Right now, we're gonna make our way back to the truck. right, you guys, we're heading back the same way we came. We keep getting little moments of deep fog and then sunshine, but it's beautiful out here.
Don't miss it. You're in for the treat of your life.
Introducing the incomparable, the great, the one, the only, the mighty Brock.
On and off the snow, which has made it a little bit difficult. We're about a mile from the truck. We're gonna try to keep the snowshoes off.
And he put on a mask.
All right, guys, we made it back to the truck. Beautiful day out there. First time snowshoeing and it went great. Thank you, Gil, back here. He had a good time too. I appreciate it, you guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to see more hiking and cooking outdoors, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next week.